Hello, sweet friends. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet a heart. The first thing to do is make a magic circle, then make a chain 3, and all the following stitches are going to go right here in the center of the magic circle. So do 3 treble crochets. Here's 1, 2, and 3. And then make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Make a chain 1, do 1 treble crochet. You can tighten your magic circle anytime if it's driving you crazy, but here's the first half of your heart. Now we're going to do everything in reverse. So make a chain 1, 3 double crochets. So here's 1, 2, and 3. And then 3 treble crochets. So here's 1, 2, and 3. Then make a chain 3. You're going to slip stitch right into the center of that magic circle. Be sure to give this strand in the back a nice tug to make sure your magic circle is closed nice and tight. But that's it for row 1. This is the cute small heart version of this pattern. If you're content with this size, go ahead and fasten off by making a chain 1. Grab a pair of scissors, cut the strand of working yarn, and then pull on this loop until it comes through and you have a nice little knot at the top. And then this is totally optional, but I always like to stick my hook through the magic circle to pull the working yarn through the back. And then all I do is make a simple overhand knot just to make sure that everything is nice and secure. Now all that there's left to do is weave in the loose ends. So go ahead and grab a darning needle, and I typically just pass the needle through several stitches close to the magic circle. And then once your strands are all weaved in, grab some scissors and trim away the extra leftover yarn close to the heart. But that's it, my friends. You can pinch the corner a little bit to make it a bit more pointy. But I think this is the cutest little heart ever. I love it so much. If you would like to make a medium-sized heart instead of a small, instead of fastening off, make a chain 3. And then find the treble crochet stitch to the previous row, and you're going to place a single crochet stitch and a half double crochet stitch here, both in that same stitch. In the next stitch, we're going to do 3 half double crochet. So here's 1, 2, and 3. In the next stitch, place both a half double crochet and a single crochet. In the next 4 stitches, place just 1 single crochet. So here's 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th one goes in that chain 1 space of the previous row. And there's the first half of your heart. So for the second half, find that treble crochet stitch, and you're going to place a single crochet stitch here, make a chain 2, and in that same stitch, also place a single crochet stitch. There's the corner of your heart. And then place 1 single crochet stitch in the next 4 stitches across, starting with that chain 1 space. So here's 2, 3, and 4. Then place a single crochet and a half double crochet in the next stitch. In the next stitch, place 3 half double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. And the next stitch, do a half double crochet and a single crochet. To finish it off, make a chain 3, and you are going to slip stitch into the center of your heart, which is your magic circle from the beginning. To fasten it off, just make a chain 1, and same as before, cut your working yarn and pull on the loop. And then just go ahead and weave in your loose ends, and that's it for the medium heart. I think it looks so cute. To make a large heart instead of a medium-sized one, instead of fastening off, make a chain 3. Find that first single crochet stitch of the previous row and place 1 single crochet. In the next 5 stitches, you're going to place 2 single crochet stitches in each stitch. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 stitches that each have 2 single crochets in them. And in the next 6 stitches, we're going to place just 1 single crochet. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then in the chain 2 space of the previous row, place 1 single crochet stitch, make a chain 2 or a chain 3, whatever you prefer. And then in that same stitch, be sure to place another single crochet stitch. Here's what the corner of your heart will look like. And then in the next 6 stitches, we're going to place 1 single crochet. For some reason, my count is a little off here, but it's not a big deal. I, for some reason, only have 5 single crochets. I don't know, we'll just roll with it. After you place your 6th single crochet, in the next 5 spaces, we're going to place 2 single crochets in each stitch. So here's 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 5. They each have 2 single crochets in them. And then in that last stitch, place just 1 single crochet stitch, and then make a chain 3, slip stitch into the center of your heart, which is your beginning magic circle. And then same as before, just go ahead and fasten it off by making a chain 1, pulling the loop to make a knot, weave in the loose ends, all that good stuff. But that's all there is to making a large heart. So easy and so cute. So now that you know how to crochet all the different sizes, go ahead and crochet all the hearts that you'd like in all the sizes that you'd like, and I'll show you how to turn them all into a cute little garland. To make your garland, first you're going to start with a chain of 50 or more or less, whatever you'd like, but I did 50 here. Once your chain is as long as you'd like, grab your heart and find these top 2 stitches. This is what we're going to crochet into. With the small heart, I did a single crochet in this top stitch. I chained 3, or chain however many you need to get to the other side of your heart, and then a single crochet in this top stitch. Looks so cute. And then chain 20, or however many you'd like. Then with the medium-sized heart, I single crocheted into the top of it. I chained 4 to get across. And then I single crocheted into the other side's top stitch. And that's how it should look. And then I chained 20. And then with the large size heart, same as before, single crochet into the top. This time I chained 5 to reach the other side, and single crocheted into the other top stitch. There you go. And then same as before, make a chain of 20. And then just repeat this process to attach all the hearts that you've made to your garland. Just to recap, I do a chain 20, I single crochet into the top of the heart, I chain across to the other side of the heart, and then I place another single crochet in that top stitch. And you can have fun totally customizing this pattern with the sizes that you make. In case you're wondering what pattern I followed here, I did small, medium, large, medium, small over and over, and I think it turned out so adorable. Once all your hearts are attached, finish off your garland by making a chain of 50 or whatever number you did when you're very first starting out your garland, just so that the ends are the same length. I did 50, so I'm chaining 50 here. And then grab your scissors, cut your working yarn, and pull on the hook to pull that loop all the way through. Give it a little tug and it will make a little knot. And that's it, my friends. Your garland's all done. If you share photos of the hearts or the garlands that you make on Instagram or Facebook, please tag me at Darling Be Brave because I would seriously love to see. It would make me so happy. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a like and subscribe and share with a friend and all that good stuff. Thank you so much, sweet friends.